Hello, ABAQUS user. Tutorial lesson 11. How to apply bullet load. Okay, open your software file, set directory. Today is May 16. Work. Number 1. Okay, let's begin. I will create a simple, very simple part. Yeah. Set 2.5. Okay, no problem. Has okay. Okay. The bullet double has 14. Okay. Bullet revolution. Size 2.5. Okay. High 14. 40. Okay. Okay, no problem. Cut. Partition this bullet, so you can. It's useful for your meshing. You can't mesh it, so I partition it first. X, Y. Okay. Y, Z. Okay. This. Choose 1. Choose 2. Okay. Choose this. Okay, choose this face, create. Okay, the same operation. Choose this face, create partition. Okay, another operation. Shift, click. Right mouse button. Done. Right. Okay. Okay. 2.5. No problem. This one. Oh, okay. Okay, the circle cut through this original. click this, then shift 1 2 3 4, then extrude along direction. Attention, the direction is wrong. Flip. Okay. Okay. The bullet load cutting is finished. So you can. Oh, very good. One. Okay. No problem. Right? No problem. Yes. Another card. Done. Okay. Point. Point. Line. Okay. Same operation. Point. Line. Line. Okay. This. Then shift 1 2 3 4. Done. Okay. Right. Direction is right. Okay. Am I seeing? Yeah. You can find this area. Control right mouse button. Done. One. Apply. Okay. Okay, no problem. I don't care the material. Units is millimeter. Solid. Yes. Assembly. Assembly. Okay. Done. Direction. Oh. 20. No problem. Bullet. Bullet. Yeah, okay. With this big activate. Enter. 1. Enter. No problem. Enter. Yes. Okay. Another is translate this part. Then the first point, the second point. Yes. Okay. Step. Static channel off. Okay. Interaction. 1 2 3. And then under polymer surface. Find compare. 1, yes. 2, yes. 3. Oh. Oh, the bottom surface. The up surface. Okay. Okay. Property. coefficient. Yes. Okay. Okay. Boundary. This surface. In cutter. Yes. Apply bullet low. Only so bullet. Oh, I need middle surface. Okay. Then point line repetition. Okay. Meshing again. Yes. Load. Poly load. Continue. Choose this surface. Control right mouse. Control left mouse. Yes. Done. Okay. The brown and the purple is also okay. I choose brown. Yes. Axis. Yes. For example, 100 new n 100 n amplitude smooth step. Okay, I add another step. Double click. Fix at current length. Right? Okay. All set. Submit. I hope everything is okay. Submit. Oh, click this. Okay, wait. Okay, finish the results. Okay, the operation is no problem. Okay. Price. No problem. Okay. I hope you're happy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. This is my WhatsApp. You can contact me if you have any question. Contact me frequently at home. This is my WeChat. This is my Bilibili night. A lot of views, but Chinese. Okay, thank you.